Begin in child pose. Roll your spine, come to tabletop. Inhale, lift your head up, look up. Exhale, hunch your back and close your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your head up and slowly move your hip forward. Come to cobra and look back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hip up, press your heels into your mat. Roll your spine, drop your knees. Inhale, lift your head up, look up. Exhale, hunch your back, close your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your head up and slowly move your hip forward. Come to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Roll your spine. Inhale, come to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up. Inhale. Exhale, right leg forward. Place your right feet in between your palms and slowly lift your both hands up over your head. Arch back, look back. Come back, come forward. Place your palms on your mat. Straight your right knee and touch your head to your knee. Tuck your left toe, bend your right knee, bring your both hands up over your head, arch back. Left knee is straight. Come back slowly, hands on your mat. Straight your right knee again and bend forward. Touch your head to your knee. Right leg back and come to downward facing dog. Exhale. Roll your spine, drop your knee. Inhale, lift your head up, look up. Exhale, hunch your back, close your chin to your chest. Inhale, head up and slowly move your hip forward, come to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift your hip up. Press your shoulders down and try to touch your head to your mat. Roll your spine, drop your knee. Inhale, head up, look up. Exhale, hunch your back, close your chin to your chest. Inhale, look up. Slowly move your hip forward, arch back, come to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now roll your spine, come to cobra. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, left leg forward. Drop your right knee down. Inhale, both hands up, look back and arch back. Slowly come back. Place your palms on your mat. Straighten your left knee and bend forward. Touch your head to your knee. Bend your left knee. Tuck your right toe. Straighten your right knee. Bring your hands up over your head. Arch back. Come back. Hands on your mat. Straighten your left knee. Bend forward. Left leg back, downward facing dog. Roll your spine. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, roll your spine. Come to upward dog. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, downward facing dog. One more last time. Roll your spine. Inhale, come to upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up. Inhale. Exhale, right leg forward. Drop your left knee down. Lift your right hand, left hand, and reach your right hand to your left leg. Come back. Place your left palm, left leg up, right hand up. Come up, stand up, left leg forward, straight your left knee, twist to your left side, look back. Left leg back, drop your leg, place your left palm and lift your right hand up, twist to your right side, look up. Drop your right knee, bring your both hands up, arch back and look back. Rotate your shoulders, place your palms on your mat, look back. Come back, place your palms straight to your right leg, bend forward, touch your head to your knee. Tuck your left toe, bend your right knee, right leg back, downward facing dog. Again, roll your spine, come to upward dog, inhale, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Roll your spine, come to upward dog, inhale, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Last one, roll your spine, inhale, come to upward dog. Arch back, look back, exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up, inhale. Exhale, left leg forward. Drop your right knee down, left hand up, right hand up. Reach your left hand to your right leg. Come back, place your right palm. Lift your right leg, left hand up, look up. Stand up. Right leg forward and twist to your right side, look back. Right leg back, drop your right leg down, drop your left hand down and lift your left hand up, twist to your left side. Drop your right knee down, bring your both hands up, arch back, hands down. Move your hands forward on your mat, straight your left knee, bend forward, flex your left foot, bend your left knee, left leg back, downward facing dog. Bend your knees, inhale. Exhale, jump forward, legs wide, elbows in, joint your palms to your heart center. Open your hands and hold your right knee. Open your hands and hold your right knee. Turn your head and look up. Come back, bring your hands, joint your palms to your heart center. Open your hands and hold your left knee. Turn your head and look up. Joint your palms to your heart center. Open your hands and hold your right knee. Joint your palms to your heart center. Open your hands and hold your left knee. Joint your palms to your heart center. Now bring your hands up over your head. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend forward. Both hands back and interlock your fingers. Come back. Come to boat pose. Roll back, come to plow pose. Roll front, come up. Come on your toes, lift your hands up. Go back, roll back. Come front, come up. Hands up. Go back down, come to plow pose. Roll front, come up, hands up. Go back, come to boat pose. Go back slowly, hands over your head. And come up, bend forward, exhale. Slowly roll back and bring your hands up over your head. Come up, exhale, bend forward. Slowly roll back, bring your hands up. Up, exhale, bend forward. Come back, hands up, inhale. Bend your right leg and twist to your right side. Inhale, bring your hands, right leg straight, bend your left leg, twist to your left side. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, twist to your right side, look back. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, twist to your left side, look back. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, roll your spine, lie down on your back, bend your knees, lift your hip up, both hands up over your head. Hip down, hands down, hands up, hip up. Bring your hands down, bring your hands up, hip up. Come back, hands down. Hug your knees and roll your back up and down. 1, 2, 3. Open your hands and drop your knees to your right side. Twist your spine to your right side and look to your left side. Come back, change your side. Exhale, twist to your left side. Look to your right. Come to center. Exhale, drop your knees to your right side. Come to center. Exhale, left. Come back. Exhale, right. Come back. Exhale, left. Come back. Drop your legs and relax. Come to Savasana.